What's up everyone, Kevin Wagstaff here. Today I'm going to walk you through pay splits. This is a part of Spectora Advanced. It's a simple yet powerful part of it, so I'm going to walk you through how to use it. So if you're at the point of hiring an inspector or have an inspector or more on your staff, you're going to need to figure out how much they get paid for every inspection, every rate on pickup or drop off or other type of inspection. Once you have Spectora Advanced enabled, and if you don't have it enabled, right into our chat bubble and we can do it for you. You'll go into your settings here in Advanced Tools and go down to Pay Splits. You'll click to enable it, and then you'll click on Set Up Pay Splits right here. Once you're in there, you'll see Company Pay Splits. That's going to be your default for your company. So you're going to have a line item in there that just sets a standard 60%. You can change this for your company, and then you can also change it on the inspector level. So if you look here, we created a rule for residential inspections. So we said, hey, for every residential inspection, inspectors will receive 65% of the service cost. So of course, you can edit this, change this to whatever you'd like. You can also enter a flat amount deduction. So for anything you deduct expense-wise from your employees, you can do that here. And then you can see here, we added an add-on of radon right here. And then we said inspectors will receive 80% of this add-on's cost. If you want, you can delete these, you can add new ones, and if you add a new one, it'll show you your list of services and add-ons. To add a new one, you just click here and you add a new pay split, and you're going to see your list of services and add-ons. And from there, you select the percentage, any flat fee deductions or percentage deductions that you want, and click Save. If you have a specific inspector that gets more or less than the company rules, you would click on Inspector Specific Payouts. So in this example, we're going to select Casey Ritt here. And because she's so great, we're going to say she gets 70% of each service or add-ons cost. And then we're going to say, hey, for residential inspection, she's going to get a flat fee of $200. So if I went in to edit that, you can just see here, Casey will receive flat amount, 200. Great, let's save it. Keep in mind, this will override the company pay splits above here because you're saying this specific inspector should get this amount. All right, now to the part that saves you time. So if you click right here on Pay Reports, this is going to show you any date you select here, the inspector, time, date, the address, link to the invoice, payment method, and then show you how much they should be getting paid. You can export this to a CSV. A lot of inspectors do that to put it into another program or to their payroll processor, but this cuts out a ton of work for you having to go into your All Inspections tab and export that and then filter by name and then do the math there. Another simple thing in Spectora Advanced that saves you time. So I think this is something that anyone with more than one inspector can use and benefit from. And frankly, at $250 an inspection, if this saves you an hour or two a month, well worth your time. So hopefully this is helpful, and let us know if you have questions. Thanks.